crescendo decrescendo ejection murmur that radiates towards the carotid.
Aortic stenosis.
Right. Machine like murmur, continuous.
Patent ductus arteriosus.
Right. Pansystolic high pitched blowing murmur that radiates towards the axilla.
Mitral regurgitation.
Right. Late crescendo murmur with mid systolic click.
Mitral valve prolapse.
Right. Another pansystolic murmur which is harsh in sound.
VSD.
Right. Delayed rumbling murmur with opening snap.
Mitral stenosis.
Right. Early diastolic decrescendo murmur.
Aortic regurgitation.
Right. Nice.